history, survival, and courage, then you will love They Called Us Enemy by American hero George Takei, famously known for his outstanding performance as Lieutenant Hikaru Sulu in Star Trek on the USS Enterprise. This is a beautiful graphic novel following George and his brother Henry and his family during the 1940s following the Pearl Harbor attack and the wrongful imprisonment of American citizens from the perspective of a small child that is filled in with important policies at the time and other information by George Takei during his interview. We follow his family from LA through several years of wrongful imprisonment and through 2 separate internment camps in the United States. The family is faced with horrifying injustice, racism, and struggles that test the American dream. They Called Us Enemies is a story of resilience in the American way. Join George in his journey with his family through World War II and through the survival of shocking racism.